Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Florenda Romero, applying for domestic helper. I am 40 years old, married, and have three children aged 17, 13, and 11. I live in Ilocos Sur, Philippines. I am college graduate with Bachelor's of Science in Midwifery. I have work experience as nanny and housemaid for 5 years. I know how to take care of children, newborn, and elderly. I know how to clean. I know how to cook as well as drive. I am willing to learn the new task assigned to me. Sir, ma'am, if you hire me, I will do all my best to treat your family as my own. I will do all the rules and regulations that you will give me, and I am willing to finish the 2 years contracts with you. Thank you and God bless.